This is how we perform the one-way analysis of variance, or ANOVA, using Excel. Okay, so I have my data over here, and the first thing you need to do is you need to go and turn on the data analysis Toolpak. To do that, go into File. Within File, you have the options. Within options, you have the add-ins, and you have the add-ins over here. Click on Go, and I have turned it on. If you have it off like that, just turn it on, click OK, and you should have it over here. Okay, now once you're over here, click on the data analysis, and you have a whole bunch of tests. Select the first one, which is ANOVA single factor. Click OK. Now you need your input range. Let me select my input range, and this is my input range. My data is in columns, so I'll leave that as it is. I do have labels, so I'm going to turn this on. If you have not selected your labels, you can turn this off. I'm going to turn it on. That is your alpha value, which is 0.05. And where do you want the result to be? I would like to have it over here. Let me click on this one, and I'll just have my result over here. Close this and just say OK, and there you have it. Okay, so that's your ANOVA table. Let me just push it up. Let's take this up a bit. Okay, let me take all of this up just for readability. Okay, now these are the values that you're looking for, and as you can see from here, the question we're investigating is, does the dosage level have a statistically significant effect on cholesterol levels? Since the p-value, which is 0.042, is less than the significance level of 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis and conclude that the dosage level had a statistically significant effect on cholesterol levels. Okay, so that's how it's done. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.